Welcome aboard. Today, we're delving into the dynamic intersection of finance and technology. Join us as we navigate through the realms of cryptocurrency and fintech innovations, uncovering how these cutting-edge technologies are revolutionizing the landscape of financial management. Crypto exploration. Cryptocurrency, a digital or virtual form of currency secured by cryptography, has revolutionized the global financial landscape since the advent of Bitcoin. Serving as the pioneer, Bitcoin's emergence heralded a new era of decentralized finance and prompted the creation of numerous alternative cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins. With thousands now in existence, each offering unique features and applications, the cryptocurrency market has become a vibrant ecosystem of innovation and speculation. The allure of cryptocurrencies extends beyond mere investment potential. Many view them as a safeguard against traditional financial systems vulnerabilities, particularly inflationary pressures. In economies plagued by hyperinflation or unstable fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies offer a hedge, shielding wealth from devaluation and enabling greater financial autonomy. Moreover, in regions with limited access to banking services, cryptocurrencies provide a lifeline, facilitating cross-border transactions and empowering the unbanked to participate in the global economy. Despite their promise, cryptocurrencies carry inherent risks. Their notorious volatility can lead to substantial gains or losses within short time frames, making them a high-stakes investment. Furthermore, regulatory uncertainty looms large, with governments worldwide grappling to define and regulate this nascent asset class. Regulatory interventions, such as bans or stringent regulations, can significantly impact cryptocurrency markets, underscoring the need for investors to stay informed and exercise caution. Nevertheless, the allure of cryptocurrency persists, fueled by its potential to democratize finance and challenge entrenched financial intermediaries. From decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms offering lending and borrowing services to non-fungible tokens, NFTs, revolutionizing digital ownership, cryptocurrencies continue to push the boundaries of innovation. As blockchain technology matures and adoption accelerates, the transformative impact of cryptocurrencies on global finance is poised to deepen, ushering in a new era of financial inclusivity and empowerment. Whether as a speculative asset, a hedge against inflation, or a tool for financial inclusion, cryptocurrencies have undoubtedly left an indelible mark on the modern financial landscape, shaping the future of money and commerce. Fintech advancements. Fintech, the convergence of finance and technology, stands at the forefront of modern innovation, reshaping the financial landscape with its transformative prowess. In a mere blink of an eye, it has revolutionized how people engage with their finances, introducing unprecedented levels of convenience and accessibility. The rise of mobile payment applications such as PayPal and Venmo has rendered physical currency all but obsolete, facilitating seamless transactions with just a tap or swipe. Concurrently, robo-advisors have democratized investment management, leveraging algorithms to offer financial guidance and portfolio management at a fraction of the cost charged by traditional advisors. Meanwhile, peer-to-peer lending platforms have dismantled the traditional banking hierarchy, connecting borrowers directly with lenders, thus streamlining the borrowing and lending process. These disruptive innovations have not only upended conventional banking models, but have also empowered consumers, granting them unprecedented control and flexibility over their financial affairs. However, this rapid digitalization of financial transactions has also sounded alarm bells regarding data privacy and cybersecurity. With individuals increasingly vulnerable to identity theft, fraud, and cyber attacks, the need for stringent security measures and regulatory oversight has never been more pressing. Nevertheless, despite these challenges, fintech's inexorable march forward promises to foster greater financial inclusion and innovation, propelling us towards a future where financial services are more accessible, efficient, and tailored to individual needs. As fintech continues to evolve and expand its reach, its impact on the global economy and society is destined to be both profound and enduring, heralding a new era of financial empowerment and opportunity for all. Impact on traditional finance. The rise of cryptocurrency and fintech is propelling a monumental transformation within the financial sector, compelling traditional institutions to either innovate or face obsolescence. Blockchain technology, as the primary driver of this disruption, is reshaping conventional banking norms, compelling banks and financial firms to adapt swiftly or risk lagging behind in this rapidly changing landscape. In response to this paradigm shift, many institutions are actively exploring ways to integrate blockchain into their operations. They recognize its potential to streamline processes, fortify security measures, and curtail operational costs. Moreover, collaborations with nimble fintech startups are increasingly deemed indispensable for maintaining competitiveness. By joining forces with these innovative companies, traditional players can harness their expertise to create novel products and services that align with evolving customer demands. Yet, amidst the promise of unprecedented opportunities, the future of finance remains shrouded in uncertainty, fraught with formidable challenges. As the terrain continues to evolve, remaining abreast of emerging technologies and industry trends becomes imperative for both investors and financial professionals. Whether navigating the intricacies of cryptocurrency markets or assessing the ramifications of fintech advancements, staying informed and adaptable emerges as a cornerstone for success in tomorrow's financial domain. Crucially, embracing change and fostering a culture of innovation emerge as pivotal strategies for thriving in this ever-evolving ecosystem. In a landscape where traditional boundaries are perpetually being redefined, institutions must embrace transformative shifts to stay relevant and resilient. By championing innovation and agility, financial entities can navigate the tides of change and position themselves at the forefront of the burgeoning fintech revolution. Future trends. Looking ahead, the landscape of finance is poised for a revolution, with innovation surging in decentralized finance, DeFi, and the rise of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. These advancements mark a profound shift in the way we perceive and interact with money, promising increased accessibility, efficiency, and transparency. Decentralized finance, often referred to as DeFi, represents a paradigm shift in the financial sector. Built upon blockchain technology, DeFi eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks or brokers, enabling peer-to-peer transactions and decentralized lending, borrowing, and trading. This model fosters financial inclusivity by granting access to services traditionally inaccessible to many due to geographical or socioeconomic barriers. With the potential to democratize finance, DeFi opens doors to a more equitable global economy. Simultaneously, governments are exploring the potential of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, as a modern alternative to traditional fiat currencies. CBDCs leverage blockchain and cryptographic technologies to digitize national currencies, offering benefits such as increased efficiency in payments, reduced transaction costs, and enhanced monetary policy tools. By issuing CBDCs, central banks aim to adapt to the digital age while maintaining control over monetary policy and financial stability. As these innovations gain momentum, they present both opportunities and challenges. DeFi's decentralized nature offers resilience against censorship and single points of failure, but also raises concerns regarding security, regulation, and systemic risks. Similarly, while CBDCs promise efficiency and financial inclusion, their implementation requires careful consideration of privacy, cybersecurity, and the balance between innovation and regulatory oversight. In the coming years, continued innovation in DeFi and the adoption of CBDCs will reshape the financial landscape, driving unprecedented changes in how we transact, invest, and manage wealth. Embracing these advancements while addressing their challenges will be essential in unlocking their full potential and building a more inclusive and resilient financial ecosystem for the future. In conclusion, our journey through cryptocurrency and fintech concludes. We trust this video provided insight and motivation. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on finance and technology. Your support fuels our mission. Subscribe for more enriching content. Thank you for joining us on this exploration.